This one is a bearing cover from Harriet. Come here. Come here. 10 spanner. After we remove this one, where is now for this magnetic switch, we open this.
Solenoid.
It's a magnetic switch called solenoid. Some people magnetic switch. Can see. Take my picture also. So this one is a magnetic switch. These are the exciting windings insides, and these are the brushes, also it's called brushes. These are the brushes. We also clean it, this one, also clean inside. You can see this one is the freewheeling clutch, freewheeling clutch, and so okay, quickly check this one from here to here. Okay, is okay, but is not touching anywhere. It's not shortage. So is electrically there's no problem. If you check these things, so this wire is not, can see, is not shortage.
Okay.
Okay. So this one we have to clean off it.
Take video.
Now viewers, I am going to fix it back. So this one you can see this one is not going back. So for it, what you have to do, you fix it first here. Okay, here the back sides. So I will show you how you can fix it back, and then you can easily push it down sides. So this one, I have it push it back. This one is a push it back. So you can see it in this way easily. Now is a fixed back. Done gone. After brake tested. One side of the red lead is connected to positive terminal of the battery, and other side to the this magnetic switch. And the black lead, one corner connected to the negative side of the battery and other side to anywhere to the starter motors. So this is I am going to show you. This one is the one wire is connected to this solenoid. This energize and de-energize the solenoids, and we give to this wire to positive supply, and this will start the starter switch. So now we are going to test it. We give the this positive power to this wire, so you can see the freewheeling clutch is coming out and the motor is starting. So now motor is accurately working. Now it's ready. So we repaired this one and it's ready to put back to the machines. So in this way we repair and test the starter motors. Hope you liked